Hello students, I am Seema Rana. Welcome to e-learning. Children, today I am going to teach you geography subject. The chapter name is Inside Our Earth. Children, as we know, the Earth is a dynamic planet. It is constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. Today, we learn about what is the Earth made up of. Children, the Earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside. It is like an onion shape. Number 1. Crust. The uppermost layer over the Earth's surface is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all the layers. It is about on the continental masses and only 5 km on the ocean floors. The main mineral constituents of the continental mass are silica and aluminium. It is thus called Cl. Si stands for silica and Al stands for aluminium. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called Seema. Si stands for silica and Ma stands for magnesium. Mantle. A mantle is a layer inside a planetary body bounded below by a core and above by a crust. Mantle are made up of rocks or ices and are generally the largest and most massive layer of the planetary body. Core. The innermost layer of the Earth is core. With a radius of about 3500 km, it is mainly made up of nickel and iron and it is called NIFE. N-I-F-E. Children, now let us learn about rocks and minerals. There are three major types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are also known as primary rocks. They are of two types: intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. Rocks thus formed are called igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks. Small particles of rocks are called sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. These types of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks. Under great heat and pressure, for example, clay change into slate and limestone into marble. Children, do you know rocks are very useful to us? The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses and buildings. Rocks are made up of different minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and defined chemical composition. Minerals are very important to humankind. Some are used as fuels, for example, coal, natural gas, and petroleum. They are also used in industries, iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc., in medicine and in fertilizers also. Points to remember. Number 1, Earth is made up of three layers: crust, mantle, core. Number 2, rocks are of three types: igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic. Number 3, uses of rocks: making roads, house and buildings. Number 4, uses of minerals: for fuel, for medicine and fertilizers. Children, now take out your notebooks and do the following question answers. Number 1 is, what are the three layers of the Earth? Describe with the help of the diagram. Question number 2, what is a rock? Name three types of rocks and define them. Question number 3, what are the uses of rocks? Question number 4, take the correct answer. Number 1 is, the rock, which is made up of molten magma, is, options are igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. B, the thinnest layer of the Earth is, options are crust, mantle, core. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.